Do you remember our school days? Left my ex, she was asking me for a I cannot post this on YouTube. My mother, my parents, मेरी मामा मामी चाचा चाची सब देख रहे हैं. 2 month period मिस हो गए है, क्या करूँ? नेक्स्ट 5 years प्लान. डू यू थिंक कि आपके व्यूज़ आपके सुंदर होने की वजह से आ रहे हैं? हाई, आई एम बैक आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम टू पोस्ट लॉन्ग वीडियोज़. But yes, those who don't know, I have already put all the long videos in private because I want to restart with putting long videos. Recently I posted a story on Instagram and I asked you guys to ask me questions. So you guys asked me a lot of questions regarding content creation, regarding my personal life, where I am from and everything. Okay, so let's start with the first question, and Purab has asked, can you make a content on your life routine cycle? Yes, definitely. I think इसको short video में ना बना के हम long video format में बनाते हैं so that you guys get to watch what do I do in my daily life. So yes, I'm definitely going to do that. How to get even motivated even when you are not getting any likes, followings and even views. Okay, I have been through this phase and I still feel demotivated sometimes. Means, for example, recently my fashion guide videos are going viral as in people are liking that content, and people like to see me give fashion guides more often. And the difference that I'm seeing in my videos is if I post any other videos, my videos are not going are not getting reach. So that's when I do get demotivated. But there were times when none of my videos were getting proper views like I expected. So yes, ऐसा नहीं है कि you should get demotivated. Obviously everyone gets demotivated at some point of time when they do not see any views and results even after being so consistent. But it's very common in creator field कि पहले आपको कोई भी नहीं देखने वाला. No one is going to clap for you and you yourself have to clap for yourself. And later on, one video will definitely go viral, and that's the time you'll see magic in content creation journey. So yes, I would say ठीक है, it's okay to get demotivated, बट डोंट बी इन द जोन जहाँ पे तुमको लगे कि नहीं यार मुझसे नहीं होगा, बिकॉज देर इज़ नथिंग दैट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल. एंड इफ़ यू पुट योर माइंड इन टू वन थिंग इट इज़ डेफिनेटली पॉसिबल. हाँ, आपके वीडियोज़ पे व्यूज़ नहीं आ रहे हैं, दैट डजेंट मीन कि आपका वीडियो अच्छा नहीं है. इट जस्ट मीन्स कि अभी तक एल्गोरिदम ने वो वीडियो अभी तक कैच नहीं करी है, जिसकी वजह से आपके वीडियोज़ में रीच नहीं मिल रही है. सो वंस यू गेट कंसिस्टेंट, अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल सी द डिफरेंस इन योर वीडियोज़. हाउ टू कीप स्किन ग्लोइंग लाइक यू एंड ऑल्सो लुक क्यूट? थैंक यू. एंड सी, मेरी स्किन ग्लोइंग तो नहीं है बिकॉज आई डू हैव स्कार्स हियर एंड देयर. ठीक है, इट्स जस्ट द आईफोन कैमरा दैट्स डूइंग द मैजिक. बट येस, मैंने लास्ट 1 साल में या 1.5 year आई वुड से आई हैव लेफ्ट शुगर. ठीक है, आई डू हैव केक एंड आइसक्रीम्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बट when it comes to एवरी डे रूटीन, तो एवरी डे रूटीन में मैंने शुगर अवॉइड करा है. आई डोंट हैव शुगर. Other than that, I use 2-3 products for my acne scars and everything, and I be hydrated. And definitely move your body so that your skin starts glowing from within, because बाहर से प्रोडक्ट लगाने से तुम्हारी स्किन ग्लोइंग नहीं रहती है unless and until you work on your body internally as well. How do you put so much truth into your content? Your words have depth, meaning. I love you. Okay, Sahana, I love you too, and I know that you comment on my every single reel, and I now know you very well. So the answer to your question is, I think you are talking about my real talk videos. एंड जब से मैंने रियल टॉक वीडियोज़ बनाने चालू कर दिए हैं ना, आई हैव सीन अ मैसिव ग्रोथ इन माई इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स, बिकॉज आई फील कि यू गाइज रिलेट टू माई रियल टॉक वीडियोज़. बिकॉज जो भी मैं वहाँ पे बात करती हूँ रियल टॉक्स में, आई टॉक अबाउट माई एक्सपीरियंसेस. आई टॉक वॉट आई एक्सपीरियंस इन माई डेली लाइफ, और वॉट आई हैव experienced and learned from that mistakes. So that is the reason why you guys feel that my words are meaningful, because it's actually relatable. What we should avoid before starting new account or install for content creation? Okay, so what things you should avoid is overthinking. and trying to learn every single thing, because I have seen this common thing that every new buddy who is trying to grow in content creation does this, that they always overthink ki what if I don't get views, what if I don't get likes, what if I don't get subscribers. But that's never the case, because once you start and once you start to post, everything just gets aligned. And other than that, I would say avoid um, comparing yourself with other creators who you see on Instagram, because हर एक का अपना टाइम होता है. So you don't have to compare yourself and your work with other creators. Definitely learn from them and see what they do and what you can do in your own way. But don't compare yourself. And yes, हर एक का टाइम होता है, तुम्हारा टाइम अलग है, उनका टाइम अलग था, तो इसीलिए दे ग्रू. सो या दैट्स इट. एंड इफ़ यू फील कि कोई भी ऐसे लोग हैं आपके सर्कल में जो आपको डीमोटिवेट कर सकते हैं या फिर जज कर सकते हैं, सिंपली ब्लॉक देम, बिकॉज आई हैड डन द सेम थिंग when I started my content creation journey. I have almost blocked 100 plus people. I should not feel uncomfortable because of those people. So that's the reason I have blocked, and blocking such people from your life is the best decision. कोई बेल बजा रहा था तो मुझे जाना पड़ा. So yeah. The next question is, finally, where are you from? PS, your sweetie follower. Okay, so I'll just introduce myself, guys. I'm Sanya Sawant and I'm from Goa. I'm 23 years old, soon turning 24 this September 2nd. And yeah, other than that, I am a corporate majdoor, and content creation is my side hustle, and I am aiming to become a full-time content creator because I really love creating videos, and I do see myself in this field. The next question is mic review. So this is the mic that I'm using. This is from the brand Glenaro or Glenaro, I don't know. Yeah, this has costed me 1,000 rupees or 1,200 rupees, I'm not sure. It's a really good mic. It comes with this cat fur. A pretty good mic, noise cancellation होती है, but I want to upgrade this into that Digitech वाला जो mic आता है उससे, because I feel उससे ना वॉइस बहुत क्रिस्प आता है. बट दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ गुड इफ़ यू आर बिगिनर एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट न्यू, देन दिस वन इज़ अ गुड माइक. अदर देन दैट, आई वुड ऑल्सो सजेस्ट यू टू गो फॉर Panasonic mic. That is also a really good mic. Like before this, I used to use the Panasonic only, and that's also a good mic. It comes somewhere around 600 or 700 rupees. You are studying or working, and if you are working, then where you are. Okay, where I am working. So I am working from home. Definitely I cannot take the company name. No, I'm not studying. I am working. I am a corporate majdoor, and side hustle is content creation. What to post if you have nothing to record nearby? Post something that you do in your everyday routine. There are so many creators who do not go anywhere. They just show their reality, what they do in real life, and that is where they have seen the growth. So I would say, if you have nothing to post, just post what is there around you. Where are you from? I'm from Goa. My father is from Karnataka, my mother is from Karnataka, and I am born and brought up in Goa. Self-love and self-awareness. I think you're asking me to create video on that particular topic. So So yeah, I'm definitely going to create video on that. Badly want to start content, but I am afraid to start. Can you give some tips that how can I start? First of all, I would never say pick your niche, because I feel like जब आप start करते हो, you have that liberty to do whatever you want. एंड देन लेटर ऑन, जैसे व्यूज़ पर्टिकुलर नीश में आते हैं, आप जब आपको दिखता है कि पर्टिकुलर नीश में ज़्यादा व्यूज़ आ रहे हैं, देन यू कैन पिक दैट एज योर नीश एंड स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग कॉन्टेंट ऑन दैट. Otherwise, it's never a rule that you should stick to only one niche. Means, yeah, you can, like, there are so many creators who are doing videos in beauty, lifestyle, real talks, tech, and some people do travel also at the same time. So I feel you should not stick to one niche. पहले होता था कि एक ही नीश पकड़ो, एक ही नीश से आगे बढ़ो. अभी इट नेवर मेक्स सेंस बिकॉज I feel like you should experience and you should get experience. क्या बोल रही हूँ, tip that I can give you in your starting phase is that just start and don't look up for a particular niche. जो भी तुमको पसंद है, start doing it, but don't just post videos because you want to post videos. Post videos in a way कि it looks presentable. Niche कुछ भी हो सकती है. It can be fashion, beauty, lifestyle. It can be combined as well. Doesn't matter. So या इंस्टा पे वायरल कैसे हो सकते हैं? वायरल होने के तरीके बहुत हैं, लेकिन इट्स अप टू यू कि आप कौन सा चुनते हो, क्योंकि बहुत अननेसेसरी लोग भी वायरल है इंस्टाग्राम पे. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक वायरल कैसे होते हैं, इट्स अबाउट क्रिएटिंग वैल्यू इन योर पुटिंग वैल्यू इन टू योर कॉन्टेंट and making valuable content, I would say, and making relatable content that also helps. So I would say create content where it makes people relate with you or it helps people. Your video should help people. That's when your video will get viral. Don't have any questions. I just want to ask how are you, because I thought no one asked. That's so sweet, Naveen. I am totally fine. And yeah, like, I'm fine. I'm good. Like, I really hope that you're doing great as well. डू यू थिंक कि आपके व्यूज़ आपके सुंदर होने की वजह से आ रहे हैं? नहीं भाई, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर मेरे सुंदर होने की वजह से मेरे व्यूज़ आ रहे होते तो आज मैं इतने फॉलोअर्स पे नहीं, मेरे पास मिलियंस में फॉलोअर्स होते, और इस चेहरे की वजह से मेरे आज यूट्यूब पे भी मिलियंस पे सब्सक्राइबर्स होते, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द फेस. सो नो, डेफिनेटली नॉट. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं सुंदर हूँ इसीलिए मुझे व्यूज़ आते हैं. डेफिनेटली आई हैव वर्कड माई ऑफ टू ग्रो ऑन सोशल मीडिया. सो या, आई पोस्ट डेली कॉलेज फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 months, still 88 subscribers. What you think? Should I give up or still go on? For how much time and for how much time? Maybe you are asking that. So I would say don't give up on what you're doing. अगर आप 3 months से अगर आप vlogging कर रहे हो, if you're showing what you do in the college, then obviously you have not come so far just to give up. So I would say don't give up. Like, there are times when we do something without taking learnings, okay? सो आई वुड से कि आपका जो भी नीश है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप व्लॉगिंग करते हो एंड इफ़ यू शो व्लॉग्स regarding your college life, then I would say watch those creators who are into same niche and do the same thing that those creators are doing, like be it editing skills, like thumbnail editing, जो भी वो कर रहे हैं सेम चीज़ करो in your own way, ठीक है? And I think that will help you a lot. Me cooking channel break of 2 months, renew again, but engaging is not working. So it does happen जब आप post नहीं करते हो, like even for a week if you don't post, then there is a difference in your engagement, okay? Engagement आपकी reach थोड़ी सी down हो जाती है. So it's fine, it's totally fine, okay? Like it happens with every other content creator. I totally get it, you know, like you feel exhausted sometimes after creating so many videos, but I would say if you feel exhausted and if you need a break, you don't take a break without a plan. So even I don't take a break without a plan. For example, I know that I'm not going to be there for next 2 days. I'll make sure that I shoot my content before those 2 days so that I can edit it on those 2 days when I'm not there, edit and post it on those 2 days when I'm not there. So that is what you can do if you know, feel exhausted, or if you just feel like I should stay away from this for 2-3 days. You can definitely plan ahead for your videos, and like that is what works for me, and that is what you can do as well. Do you miss your school life? No, I don't miss my school life at all. I miss my school life just because I had no stress about money or career or goals or anything. That's the only reason why I miss those days. But other than that, I don't miss my school life at all, because that was the time where I used to ask money from my parents every single time that I never wanted to. And other than that, I had some really fake friends that I don't want anytime ever into my life. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is Manifest, this one right here. How to Become Successful Life, Anjana asks me. Anjana, even I am not successful in my life yet. Means I think so, but yes, the only secret to getting a successful life is being disciplined and never give up on your goals. And I feel that is the only two things that will, bring success to our lives. नेपाल में कब घूमने आऊँगे? बहुत जल्दी आऊँगी मैं नेपाल, ठीक है? कोई क्वेश्चन तो नहीं है, बस ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि आप काफ़ी प्यारी दिखती हो एंड हैप्पी भी. थैंक यू. डू बिलीव इन विच गॉड एंड वाई? I would say I believe in God, and if you ask me why, because God has shown me magic in the ways I could have never imagined. So that is the reason why I believe in God and I trust God. So yeah, that's my answer to your question. Yeah, that is my Q&A video for all of you guys, and if you guys have any other question, please drop it down in the comment section. I will definitely check them and answer it out in the comment section itself, or maybe a next Q&A, who knows. And yeah, definitely if you like to watch more of vlog videos, motivation videos, or real talk videos, then definitely consider subscribing this channel. Okay, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.